और चलिए सीधे आपको ले चलते वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त नमो ऐप के जरिए आवाम से खिताब करने लिए चलते हैं।
He does not realize how his policies and corruption can lead to sunset of the state. To set the sun, he is creating atmosphere for the sunset of the state. In only promoting his own son, he has forgotten about other sons and daughters of Andhra Pradesh. What kind of leader does not take responsibility for each performance? True tribute to NTR and what NTR stood for would be vote out these who betrayed NTR's values, sullied NTR's memory, and stand NTR's legacy. NTR's dream of a Swarna Andhra Pradesh will be realized when every citizen of Andhra Pradesh enjoys the fruits of development and not just one family. Swarna Andhra Pradesh will be scripted by the youth, by the youth power of all Telugus. Tejaswini, you ask a very good question. What you are asking is also the view among others in the state. Thank you, Anantapur. It was good to interact. Now let us shift to Kadapa. Kadapa, namaste. ये कडप्पा वालों ने तो पीछे बहुत सारे पोस्टर लगा दिए हैं, बहुत सारी योजनाओं भी दिख रही है मुझे उसमें। बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है आप लोगों ने।
भारत माता की
चारों तरफ केसरिया रंग छा गया है। अगर मैं ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से आपसे न मिलता तो आंध्र में आप लोगों का इतना उत्साह उमंग है शायद मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता, क्योंकि मीडिया वाले तो आपकी हर बात को दबा देते हैं, छुपा देते हैं। लेकिन मुझे खुशी हो रही है उत्साह उमंग देख करके। आइए बताइए।
प्रधानमंत्री, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को विनम्र से प्रणाम करता हूं। I am Srinath Reddy, BJP district president. I am glad to introduce our national and state leaders. Our national BJP secretary Sri Y. Satyakumar, our ex-minister and state general secretary Sri Manikyal Rao Garu, our Samsagata Pradhana Karyadarshi Sri G. Ravindraj Garu, our state vice president Sri Kandula Rajamohan Reddy Garu, our state secretaries Sri V. Seshibhushan Reddy Garu, Sunkara Srinivas Garu, our BJYM state president Sri Ramesh Nayadu Garu, our Kadapa district in charge Ramakrishna Reddy Garu, our zonal in charge Sri Narsingh Rao Garu. I am requesting our parliament convener Sri Rajmohan Reddy ji, who will explain central schemes which are useful to Kadapa parliament.